In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, the philosophy of Stoicism offers a pathway to resilience, strength, and an unyielding mindset. But what does it really mean to be unstoppable? And how can Stoicism empower you to achieve that state? At its core, Stoicism teaches us that we cannot control external events. We can only control our responses to them. This idea is beautifully encapsulated by the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, who said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Imagine facing a setback or a challenge. You could let it define you, or you could choose to respond with strength and purpose. What choice will you make? One of the most powerful Stoic practices is the focus on virtue. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that living in accordance with virtue, courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance is essential for a meaningful life. These virtues serve as your guiding principles, empowering you to act decisively and confidently, even in the face of adversity. Are you embodying these virtues in your daily life? When you align your actions with your values, you cultivate an inner strength that makes you resilient to external pressures. Let's talk about the concept of amor fati, or the love of fate. This Stoic idea encourages you to embrace everything that happens to you, even the negative experiences. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This perspective transforms obstacles into opportunities. Instead of resisting challenges, you learn to accept them and use them as fuel for your growth. Think about it. How often do you find yourself resisting difficult situations? What if, instead, you viewed them as stepping stones toward your goals? Another crucial element of Stoicism is the practice of negative visualization. This involves imagining worst-case scenarios, not to dwell on fear, but to prepare for life's uncertainties. By visualizing potential setbacks, you can mentally equip yourself to handle them if they arise. This practice builds resilience and allows you to approach challenges with a calm, prepared mind. When faced with adversity, you'll ask yourself, what is the worst that could happen? And am I ready to face it? Moreover, Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-discipline. The Stoics believe that the path to becoming unstoppable is paved with consistent effort and a commitment to improvement. Seneca noted, "Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity." Are you prepared? This means cultivating habits that support your goals, even when motivation wanes. Daily routines, reflection, and self-care become essential tools in your journey to becoming unstoppable. Lastly, remember the community aspect of Stoicism. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. Marcus Aurelius often reflected on the value of good company, understanding that we are influenced by those around us. Engage with fellow Stoics, share your experiences, and learn from one another. In this way, you reinforce your resilience and commitment to the Stoic path. In conclusion, Stoicism offers a framework for becoming truly unstoppable. By focusing on your reactions, embodying virtue, embracing fate, practicing negative visualization, and fostering self-discipline, you can navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. Are you ready to tap into the power of Stoicism and unlock your potential?